everyone, I'm Nicole Spitler of All Designs Equine. Welcome to my door. Today we're going to be making a cute rustic bunny wreath. Come on in, let's get started. So in sticking with our Easter theme, we're going to make a bunny wreath. And this is great to decorate your own door, or you can give it as a gift and people will think this is absolutely awesome and that you're very creative. But we're going to be using a kit that I sell in my store, but you can use any bunny and just use the design tips and put your own spin on it. But the kit comes with the base bunny shape, and then it's cut into 4 different pieces to give it a ShipLap look. Comes with a rope bow, a little mini carrot, and 3 wood flowers. This is a very cute little wreath, but it's also super quick to do. So this won't take any time at all. What I did with these pieces is I painted them. I painted them in 4 different colors of brown. This one is a little bit of like a white with brown underneath, and this is like a different color brown, and then the bunny's head is chocolate brown. Now what I did to make it look a little more interesting, which you can do yourself, is I took sandpaper and I beveled the edges. So I sanded it, and you're just going to bevel at a 45-degree angle. Okay, and then I used my electric sander, but obviously you can still use just regular hand sanding. It doesn't really take that long. Or a belt sander, which would be really nice. I don't have one of those, but I'd like to get one day. But so when you put the pieces together, it doesn't come, it has a bevel in it, so it gives it a more authentic ShipLap look. So then I'm just going to glue these pieces down. And the great thing about this also, because it's rustic, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just do that. It also comes ready to hang. And you see how the bevel in there makes it look like more authentic ShipLap. Okay. You don't have to do that, but it's a nice little detail. And you can keep all your colors the same. I always like to do everything a little bit more rustic looking, and then we'll do the little bunny's head. This is super quick, super easy. Did not put him on there very well though. Okay. Now, it's okay, there's going to be a gap here because we're going to have our flowers and the little bow here. But then I'm going to use, what I did is I painted this carrot already. I painted him orange. And then I painted the wood flowers orange. And then we're going to glue the wood flowers on the carrot. Now, this doesn't come complete, it just gives you a good start. So you can do what you want with it. I'm gonna use this Dusty Miller lamb's ear to give it like a softer look, but you can use a more like fern look, a darker green, which I will show you what that could look like in just one second. So this is just fern. And if you put that in there, it would look more like a carrot. But I think I'm going to use the lamb's ear. I'm just gonna glue that down in. This is all personal preference. That looks really cute. The actual fern too. And then can see we can put this rope bow here. I'm going to stick it in, whoops, stick it, or I mean glue a piece of styrofoam in here, and then you can put the rope bow directly in here if you want this, or you can do a different bow. I kind of like this bow, but I'll make my choice later. This is what's provided in the kit, but you can always use something else. It might actually look better with the rope since it's not so close to the carrot color. So now you can use, I think I'm going to use, there's a cream. We can use purple, which is very traditional in bunny land, but it kind of depends on what you like. I don't even know what I'm gonna do because I haven't decided yet. I think maybe I'm going to just use this. This is a very big rose, but I'm going to use this cream rose. Okay. And then I'm going to grab some greenery, add some greenery, and maybe put that there. I'll have to see how it looks. Okay, and I just had a thought. Since I messed this up, there's always happy accidents. I think I'm going to take this rope and glue that on each part of the ShipLap. Even though I know that I just took the time to sand that, I think that might be really cute. This is what's great about crafting. You can make a mistake and then you can fix it, and you can a lot of times make things better. I have happy accidents all the time. Sometimes I have real accidents and they don't work out so well. But I will try anyway. So this is another option, and we'll just bring the rope around the back and glue it around the back, and that will actually also pad the back of the wreath so it doesn't damage your door. But I always put pads on the back anyway, but it's a double use of the rope. I think this is actually going to be really, really cute. So maybe make a thinner one here. Nah, I like the thicker one. Okay. So, but if you like the ShipLap look, then just leave it as it is. Okay. There we go. And so at the end, I'll just glue this behind so you can see how cute this actually is going to be. It's going to be really adorable. And then I will do that later. And then I'm going to figure out what flowers I want to use. Do I want to make it just very monochromatic with the bunny? Do I want purple? I mean, that's pretty too. That's a very classic Easter color. Or pink or orange, any of those will work. I think I'm going to kind of like the cream, I think. So I'm gonna glue that in. Okay, I'll glue that in. And then I'll put some more of this lamb's ear, maybe down here. Try to figure out before I glue it in. Wouldn't be the first time I glue something in and I decide I don't like it. I'm always changing everything. And maybe just another little piece back here. And you can make this as full as you want or as simple as you want. And then I'll probably put some flowers back here or some greenery. Could actually add greenery maybe down there. Okay. All right, And then we have our little carrot. So, do we want the carrot to be like a little backpack lunch for the bunny, which I kind of like that idea, or do we want him ready to eat it? Once again, personal preference. How you like, if your bunny's hungry, he can be eating now. If he wants to go on his trip to deliver candy, he can keep his carrot backpack lunch ready to go. So, I'm not sure how I like it. Maybe he's hungry. I think I'm gonna put it in the front. But regardless, it's a little snack for him to eat later. And you can just glue that straight on. And gonna add a few more little touches, and then this bunny is ready to be hung on your door or given as a gift. Okay, so I think for my finishing touches, I'm just gonna add a wood flower here to hide my styrofoam. And then I'll add a little baby's breath. And it's super easy, super simple, and looks adorable. Even though I specialize in doing equestrian wreaths around the holidays, Easter, Halloween, sometimes I venture out and do some other things that are really cute. All right, so that is the bunny wreath. All right, everyone, that's it. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up. And I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe to my channel. I will link the kit in the description box below. And until next time, the door is always open.